Right, hello everyone. So I am at New Brighton Beach. There's the lighthouse just behind me there. I thought to come now because it's normally quiet. It's not quiet, so you can look, see behind me there. There's all kinds of people. I can get them all in there. There's all kinds of people behind me. There's a counter-pollution exercise going on. Let me spin it round. So there's all like different groups knocking around the beach, and yeah, big sailor there, big container. There's all, don't know, inflatables going up and stuff. So I don't know what's going on exactly, but it says on the sign counter pollution exercise. So yeah. So anyway, I've come up with an idea because I've got a drone which I don't use anymore. It's an expensive drone, but the drone's got a really good zoom on it. So I've thought about doing like a close-ups of things. It stinks. It's got a big whiff of sewage. Not them. Yeah, so I'm gonna practice today doing one. So I'm gonna do the lighthouse. Gonna get up close. Gonna zoom into places that we can't see from the ground. So mainly where the light should be. It's a nice day for flying a drone. There's no wind. It's quite calm. It's cold, which I like. The fresh air is great. Just makes you feel alive, doesn't it? Oh yeah. Going to get the drone in the air, fly around the lighthouse. Just have a good look inside. See what's going on with it. So I'm not sure if anything does go on with it. Does anyone know if people go in it and stuff? I've been up close to the base of it. Touched it, but you can't see anything from the ground. There's a ladder that leads up to the door, and the door's quite high up. I'd love to live in there, like, imagine the peace and quiet you get. Well, apart from all the waves smashing up against you. But yeah, so I'll try and get a close up of these while I'm on my way back, alright, and then get the drone in the air. So this is what I mean about all the little groups. So there's one there. There's one over here, and there's one on the far side there, and then there's all this, whatever it is. As you can see on that sign there, it says a counter pollution exercise, so probably some training for people to what to do when they need to do it. Yeah, that's good. So, I don't know what's going on, but me audio failed, so I did do audio with the drone flying. So, we're in the air, and I've got the lighthouse in shot. But as I want to show off the zoom capabilities first of the drone, so concentrate on Bramley Moor first. As you can see, the zoom's pretty good on it. Good close up at the ground there. Then we get Paddy's Wigwam next, I think. Yeah. We're talking miles away here, these things are. There's the RBA. Then looking towards the city centre. That's like Great Ormond Street where them two tower blocks are. Then you can see Anfield in the distance there. Bear in mind, this is a fairly, you know, it's not the clearest of days. We had quite a lot of fog in the morning. But that's the capabilities of what the zoom can do. So time for the lighthouse now. I thought I'd be able to see inside the doorway here, so where the ladder leads up to the doorway, I thought I'd zoom in there. But obviously it's white behind it, so there must be, there's another door behind it. There's a little pigeon sitting off. What's that steps to the left-hand side there? Can you go in and take a left? Okay, that's interesting. See, because I'm videoing on a really small screen, so I can't see everything until I get it back on the big screen. So I'd have a look at this window here, but obviously nothing. You can see there, it's just wood. Boarded up. The main part of this would be where the light should be, because you can see right into it. See, now that part's made of wood there, so is that just, is that what the bulb used to sit in and now it's just not? If anyone's got any experiences with lighthouses, I'd like to know. But I'd say, for the first time, just trying to have a look around a lighthouse and use me drone to its capabilities. The zoom being one of the main things with this drone. They all fly and they all record, but with this zoom, it's good quality imagery once you zoom in. Now, I was surprised to see these solar panels. What they're for, I don't know. What they're powering, I don't know. But they're obviously there for a reason, aren't they? There's a little ladder inside there, well, that goes up. Didn't notice that on a small screen. So what I wanted to do now, I wanted to get like a full 360 fly around. Which is hard to do because you've got it's not like you're going in a straight line. You're controlling two sticks here to try and keep it going circular, if you like. As you can see, I'm getting closer, which I didn't really want to do. I wanted to keep the same distance, but it's hard to do. And that's the complete 360 of that. Now I can concentrate with the zooming. So I wanted to have a look at this little thing here because I thought it was a little plank or something hanging off it. I was wondering what it's for, but it's not. It's a little girder. Oh, there's a little window there as well. Can't remember if I look inside that one. See what is that for? Does something hang off that? So these are all the little details that you don't really notice. Oh yeah, I remember zooming in on this now and just seeing a load of pigeon feces. Yeah, so it's just little details that you don't notice, when there's something there that you've seen for years, but you don't really take much notice of it. So that's why I want to try and do more of these videos, just get your input, where it should go, what it should focus on, things that you can't see from the ground, but you can get in the air and zoom in on it. Obviously, not your neighbour's bedroom window, anything like that, but, things of interest in the city. Now, I've got to be here to try and have a look at the floor inside, but obviously I couldn't, because the window's too dirty. I thought that was a broken window, but when I zoomed in, it wasn't. It's just a dirty window. So you can't really see much inside, which I was open to. So I thought, why not have a look at the floor around here then? again, just bits of crap on the floor. There's a little light there, you know. Is that what the solar panel powers? Then there's a little rope ladder here that leads you up to the little walk around up above it. Just there. Bit gutted that my audio failed because I did have a lot more to say. When you do the audio afterwards, it's not ideal because it's not true, if you get what I say. So it does get higher and I've look down on this floor a bit more. Again, it's just more lights and wires. So you can see the wire hanging off the solar panel, so it must power them lights. And that's pretty much it for the tower. It's I did like the sunset, so I stayed in the air a bit longer and I took some photos, in and around the tower. But yeah, that's it. So I'll take you back to me on the ground now. Right, so I'm back on the ground now. Yeah. To be honest, I couldn't see a lot. Maybe just more that I might notice when I get it on the big screen. Let me jump up on these rocks here. They're all packing away behind me now. So that exercise is over. There's a little group just there behind me on the beach. So yeah, if that's something you want to see more of, or you think it should be, there's other places I can go to, let me know in the comments. I've also started my membership a couple of months ago now, I think, and I'm going to start doing members only videos. Best way to describe it is, if you're invested in me, become a member, because I'll be doing a lot about me in the members videos, whereas on the main channel it'll mainly be the content that you subscribe to that you like, because you might not be a fan of me but you like the content. So yeah, if that's the case, then membership's probably not for you. I'll just be talking about me, my life, upcoming projects, yeah, what's going on really. But I'll probably expand the members section and I'll get feedback from yourselves of what you want to see in the members section as well. But content wise, it'll all be on the main channel, so don't worry about it. If you want to become a member and support me, that's fine. I'd really appreciate it. If you don't, leave a comment and a thumbs up. That'll do me. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for all the support as well that people have given me in the past 4 or 5 weeks. Me mum and my dad. Means a lot to us. My mum and dad have seen the comments. They're really appreciative of them. My mum's battling away, so we'll just see how she gets on. But yeah, thank you very much, and yeah, also members will get the name at the end of the video as well. So yeah, have a look at this. See you later. Bye now.